You can make this simple drink with just 3 natural ingredients. No artificial additives, no chemicals. Start by grabbing a medium-sized pot. First ingredient, cucumber. It's naturally hydrating and contains silica, sulfur, and antioxidants. Slice the cucumber and add it to the pot. Then toss in a handful of hibiscus blend. It gives the drink a vibrant color and a bold, slightly tangy flavor that pairs beautifully with the other ingredients. The third ingredient is lime, a great source of vitamin C. Slice it up and add it to the pot as well. Pour in about a quart of water and let everything simmer for around 15 minutes. As it cooks, the ingredients will release their full flavor and aroma. Once done, strain the liquid through a sieve. Pour it into a glass. You can serve it warm or chilled over ice. Just 1 glass a day is enough to enjoy a refreshing, fruity taste. It'll leave you feeling lighter and more energized. Natural home remedy for overeating. It eliminates bloating, gas, and stomach pain while supporting digestion. The feeling of fullness disappears instantly, bringing quick relief. Take half a teaspoon of coriander seeds and crush them in a mortar. Coriander improves digestion and helps with bloating. Add cumin seeds, known for relieving stomach pain, bloating, and digestive issues. Cumin regulates bowel function, aids both diarrhea and constipation, and stimulates digestive juices. Next, add a few black peppercorns. The piperine in black pepper promotes stomach acid and enzyme production. Include a small piece of ginger to combat bloating, nausea, and vomiting. Add dried mint, which stimulates digestion and soothes discomfort caused by overeating. Lastly, mix in a pinch of turmeric, which boosts bile production, aiding fat digestion. Crush all ingredients well. Pour half a liter of water into a pot. Add the spice mixture and bring to a boil. Simmer for about 5 minutes, then strain the liquid. This drink relieves bloating, excessive gas, and stomach pain caused by overeating. Drink 1 glass in the morning and evening until symptoms subside. In much smaller amounts, it can also be given to children over 12 months old. Do you have your own remedies for overeating? Surprise your guests. I'm sure they've never tried anything like this before. Take a fairly large apple, preferably a sweet variety. Cut it into 4 parts and remove the core, leaving clean quarters. Use a peeler to cut as many thin slices as you need. Lay them flat, slightly overlapping. Make 2 rows of apple slices like I do. Once you have your 2 rows ready, start rolling each one from the outside in, keeping the peel on the outside. This will create a shape that looks like a rose. Repeat with the second row of slices. If you're hosting more guests, make an apple rose for each of them. Place the apple rose in a cup and brew your favorite tea. Pour the hot tea over it and you'll see the rose open up beautifully. It looks stunning. And the tea gets a delicious apple aroma. This brewed coffee doesn't acidify the body. It's perfect for people with high blood pressure. It won't cause heart palpitations or nervous overstimulation. It doesn't hurt your liver. In fact, it supports the liver, stomach, and kidneys. It helps reduce cellulite and relieves constipation. The secret lies in how it's prepared and the ingredients added. Even naturopaths recommend it for people with an overly acidic system. Put 4 teaspoons of ground coffee into a pot. Then add a pinch each of cumin, cinnamon, and turmeric. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of honey. Pour in pre-boiled water. Use no more than 1 liter for the 4 teaspoons of coffee. And bring to a gentle boil. Let it simmer on low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn off the heat and wait for the grounds to settle. Pour into cups and enjoy. Once you try it, you won't stop drinking it. You may even forget about your coffee machine. This coffee is a smash hit on the internet. I will show in detail how to make it. Start by preparing the ingredients. You will need 1 tablespoon of instant coffee and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Take a bowl, pour these ingredients into it and mix thoroughly. Then add about 2 tablespoons of warm water to the coffee and sugar mixture in the bowl. Now the fun begins, which is whisking. Place a fine sieve over the bowl and hold it steady. Energetically whisk the mixture of coffee, sugar, and water through the strainer. This process will take a few minutes, so be patient, and continue whisking until the mixture becomes foamy and creamy. Once your coffee mixture is light and fluffy, it's time to prepare the glass. Fill a tall glass with ice cubes. Pour cold milk or water over the ice, filling the glass to more than half its height. Then gently spoon the whipped coffee foam over the milk or water in the glass. The coffee foam will float beautifully on the surface of the liquid, creating a pleasant contrast. Serve immediately with a straw or stirring spoon. Adjust the sweetness by changing the amount of sugar according to your taste. This method is not only easy, but also allows you to control the strength and sweetness of the drink. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon and enjoy a delicious coffee. In this simple way, you'll cleanse your body of toxins and more. Start by preparing the ingredients. Take a carrot and cut it into thin strips. Do the same with a cucumber, beet, and ginger. The thinner the strips, the better they'll release their nutrients. Finally, slice a lime into rounds to add freshness and a hint of tangy flavor. Take a medium-sized pot and add the carrot, beet, cucumber, ginger, and lime slices. Pour in hot water and let it sit for several minutes until the ingredients release their beneficial properties. Stir everything well. Pour the drink into a glass and enjoy. Feel your body refresh from the inside out. This drink is a true source of vitamins and minerals. Regularly drinking this infusion helps detoxify the body, improve skin appearance, support digestion, and boost energy. Simple, natural, and effective. Try it today and feel the difference.
A natural stimulant for the intestines and liver. I use it when I have a bloated stomach and when I need to improve my metabolism. Drinking this mixture on an empty stomach not only strengthens the body, but also helps lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and body weight. It also reduces the risk of heart disease. Cut 2 to 3 lemons into thin slices and put them in a glass jar or other glass vessel. Lemon is primarily a source of vitamin C and protects the body against the harmful effects of free radicals. Then chop 3 cloves of garlic and add to the chopped lemon. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Lowers blood pressure and cholesterol. Pour honey over lemons and garlic. About 5 large spoons should be enough to cover half of the lemons. Honey prevents cardiovascular diseases. Fill the remaining half of the dish with olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is an ingredient recommended by dietitians and doctors due to its anti-atherosclerosis properties, reducing cholesterol levels and the risk of heart disease. Mix gently, cover and set aside for about 12 hours. After this time, the mixture is ready. Take 1 tablespoon twice a day, one in the morning on an empty stomach, the other in the evening before bed. You will quickly notice a significant improvement in your well-being. The feeling of bloating will disappear, your blood test results will improve, and you will also lose unnecessary kilograms. This mixture will also affect the quality of your skin and complexion.